over and over again.
I'm already numb. We're here doing, some cliff diving. We found this really nice location of the west coast of Ireland. It's called the Serpent's Lair in the Aran Islands. So it's a perfect location, 25 meters high. It's a great natural pool, and it's just a perfect start for us to start the season, the Red Bull Cliff Diving Series for 2009. That is going to be, a great series of events. So, just really excited to be here.
I'm always up for finding new places to new interesting scenery like to dive from, and it's a good preparation for the World High Diving Series, which starts in May, and so it's just a great chance to scope out some interesting places to dive from.
Traveling at night, at the speed of light, in total dark I ride. The road is straight, cast and no wind inside. Wish you were by my side tonight. Tonight.
How far?
To keep me company.